Hey everybody, in this week's video, quick and easy project. It's a 20-minute project, especially nice for people who just started out using the laser engraver. 3 layers deep, acrylic paint, 3mm plywood, so basic tools, some super glue to glue it together and you're done. If you want to create this one yourself, I will put a link in the description of my video where you can find it. There are 10 different designs in the file you can download from Creative Fabrica. I've used my X4 Pro for this one. It's a 22 watt laser. But you can use any laser that you prefer, 10 watt, 5 watt. It might take a little bit longer, but you can still create this one. So if you like it, let me know, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And let's get started with the first step, cutting the plywood to size. So let's get into Lightburn, have a look at the design. These are the 3 layers. Let me put on the first one. Have a look at it. This will take 4 minutes to cut. Using the X4 Pro, that's a 22 watt laser. So I've set the speed to 400mm a minute, 85%. If you have a 10 watt laser, maybe you need to put this one at 200mm a minute, 85%. I would not go higher than 85%, but that's me. Of course, it's up to you. You can check your test sheets to see what the best settings are. This one will take a little bit longer, I think. Yeah, it's almost 6 minutes, so 10 minutes in total. And then this one, let me see, this one will take almost 4 minutes. So let's say a little less than 15 minutes to cut all these parts. So I will put them on one by one, align everything on the laser and start cutting. So it's a quick and easy project, also very nice for beginners. Only about 15 minutes of cutting time using a 22 watt laser. I've used the Mecpow X4 Pro for this one. Only 3 different colors, dark blue, light blue and yellow. I will use foam rollers to apply the paint, so it's easy and quick. It's a 3-layer design. I will link the design in the description of my video. And there are, I think, in total 10 different designs in this file. So if you download it, you've got 10 different signs. So it's easy and nice to create. You can maybe give it to a friend or sell it in your store. I think you can make a quick buck on this one. So next up I will do the painting and then we can glue them together and we have a project finished. So let's start with the yellow. Let me put some paint on there. Just roll it on. Just light passes. Nice and bright. So that's the first one. Let me remove this one. And I will do the second one. Do this one. Let me change the color to the dark blue. Let me remove this one. Put on the next one. I will remove these two because they won't get out. The rest can stay in. I think only this small one I need to take out. So let's put this one on. So this is the first coat. I will let it dry and then I will do the next one. Get this off. Put on the next one. And then the letters. Like so. This one I can move. Let me put it here. Let me move this one here. So, out of the way. Like so. Let me get back to the first one. Put some more paint on. Like so. You can see it's already getting better. Okay. So I've got all 3 layers painted. Let me do a quick dry assembly so you can see what it will look like when it's all glued together. So there you go, nice and easy project, only 15 minutes of cutting time, few minutes of painting, glue it together and you've got a nice vacation sign. You can hang it on your door, give it to somebody else or sell it in your store. Especially a nice project for people who just started out using a laser engraver. Pretty easy to do, yeah, but fun. Again, I will put a link in the description of my video where you can find the design. Choose your own colors, of course. And yeah, I think it's a fun and nice project. So let's glue it together. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me show you this one again up close. I think it turned out fun. Of course you can mix and match different colors just to your liking. But I think it's a fun project. Just put it on your door when you're on vacation and everybody knows you're gone. So if you are still going on vacation, have fun, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.